The shapes we've created to represent the trackpad, keyboard, and speakers would not sit flush against the CPU top surface. On most laptops, these objects are indented into the CPU case, so we'll do this now and also create a cutout for the display hinge. First, select the Push-Pull tool from the 3D modeling toolset. Be sure the first mode, Extrude Face Mode, is enabled. Then click the left speaker to start extruding the object. Press Tab to enter the distance field in the floating data bar. Input -1/16 of an inch and press Enter to lock in the value. Then click to create the extrude. Repeat these same steps for the right speaker, trackpad, and keyboard. Now we're going to subtract these extrudes from the CPU case. Tap the X key once to switch to the selection tool. Go to Edit and select All. Now all of the objects are selected. Right-click on the CPU case and choose Subtract Solids. In the Select Object dialog box, use the arrows to highlight the CPU case in red, then click OK. The other extrudes will be subtracted from the highlighted object. After clicking OK, notice the CPU case, which was an extrude, is now a solid subtraction. Now we'll cut out a space for the display hinge. Select the Rectangle tool from the basic palette. Then select the third mode, Side, Center, and Opposite Corner Rectangle mode. Choose Automatic from the Layer Plane drop-down menu in the view bar. Move your cursor to the midpoint of the top edge of the CPU case. Once the top face of the case is highlighted in blue and the cursor cue midpoint is displayed, click to start drawing the rectangle. We need the width of the hinge to match the keyboard width, which is 11 3/8 of an inch. With the current mode we are using to draw the rectangle, we need to input half of this width. Press the Tab key to enter the Delta X field and input 11 3/8 divided by 2. Press the Tab key once more to enter the Delta Y field and put -1/2 inch, then press the Enter key. Now, click in the drawing to set the rectangle. Next, move your cursor inside the newly created rectangle, and, once the rectangle is highlighted in red, click to start your extrude. We need to subtract this rectangle from the CPU case. Hold down the Alt or Option key and move the cursor downward. Be sure the solid is extruded past the bottom surface of the CPU case, and while still holding the Option or Alt key down, click to subtract this solid from the CPU case.